In today's class we will be learning the topic, maintenance of the family house. Maintenance of the house involves the various processes of keeping the functional rooms in the house and all the household equipment and tools in constant state of cleanliness and good condition. Maintenance of the house is achieved with the use of various cleaning agents and cleaning equipment. Cleaning agents. These are substances used in removing dirt and stains from household equipment. They make cleaning fast and easy. Cleaning equipment and tools. Brooms and brushes. They are used for sweeping and removing surface dirt and dust. Dusters. They are used to gather and remove dust from surfaces. Mops. They are attached to a long or short handle and used for cleaning the floor. Dustbin. It is used for disposing refuse. Buckets and pails. They are used for carrying water for cleaning. Carpet sweeper. It is used for removing surface dust and dirt from carpets and rugs. Vacuum cleaner. This is an electrical labor-saving device for removing dust and dirt from carpet and rugs. It is a major cleaning equipment. Regular home maintenance is a key part of homeownership, ensuring that your home is in excellent shape year-round. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.